Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make scatter with straight line chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make scatter with a straight line chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click charts option and we can see here many chart. We select the XY scatter chart. Now we can see here many layout. We select the layout scatter with a straight line chart. Here this scatter with a straight line chart and select it. Now we can see here we make this scatter with a straight line chart. You can change the layout of this chart. Go to the design menu, then click quick layout option, then change the layout. Otherwise you can change the color of this chart. Click change color option, then change the color. You can apply another style. Click the style drop down menu, then choose style. Otherwise you can edit this data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then click edit data. You can change data to edit this sheet. Now we can see here we make scatter with straight line chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.